Hi, in this project, I'm going to make a protective bumper for the pedal bracket here. This is the lowest part of the EUC when it lays on the side. If I drop it, this pedal bracket will be damaged. This is InMotion V14. This EUC has a plastic bumper that used for protecting the batteries. When the rider crashed, the bumper can be replaced with the lower cost because it's made from plastic. I think this one is made from synthetic rubber, and this one is a kickstand and also the bumper. I think it's made from injection mold POM plastic, but this aluminum bracket is more expensive to replace. And if you look here, so I can mount it with two M5. So the plan is I'm going to make a mounting point here and design the cover around this a little bit taller than this point, so it should not interfere with the pedal when it's fully open. Okay, so I'm going to use the Creality Sermoon S1 for making this 3D scan, and I'm going to test it with the new software version 1.3.7, which will improve the scanning speed. My laptop here is Ryzen 9 8945H CPU and RTX 4070 laptop GPU. In the previous version of the software, it will run at 70 to 50 frames per second with the Sermoon S1. So in this video, I'm going to test it in the cross-line mode. Connect the laptop to the AC outlet just to see what is the speed increase that I can get from this new version. And I'm going to scan in the cross-line mode. I didn't put a lot of markers here. In the cross-line mode, the S1 requires a very small amount of the marker. So when you are scanning the black object with the S1, what you should know is that you should lean into an angle to capture as much as the leader. 84 FPS with the cross line. So this is much faster than before. But if I turn off the screen capture software, it will go up to 90. So you can see that this amount of the markers, I can almost scan the whole pedal. I'm going to switch to a single line. You can use a single line to capture the black object. It will capture better than the 34 lines. You can see here. Yeah, I can see the increasing speed on the cross line. Okay, let me unplug the laptop and see if the speed will be decreased. Okay, now it's on batteries. The speed will be decreased a little bit, 40, 50 FPS. That's still okay, I think. You don't have to find an AC outlet. Okay, let's check time it takes to remove the marker. So I'm gonna fuse the point cloud 0.3 millimeter. We have 3.9 million faces. And you can see it from here how sharp and clean the scan is. This is scan without the spray. Sermoon S1. Export as the point cloud. Okay, this is in Cloud Compare. Using 3-point, align it to the XY plane. Rotate this along the Z-axis for the alignment. Okay, so it's already aligned to the XY plane. Okay, save as the LS format. Click on OK. Okay, here's the hexameter. Import point clouds inside origin. Scale it 0.001. It should be in the center. If it's not, you need to move it. So it's not in the center. 0.328. So I need to move the point cloud to the left. 0.328, which is the x-axis, minus 0.328. And if I measure the dimension from this point to this point, it will show 50.155 millimeter. And what I measure with the caliper, it leads 50.17. So it's only 15 microns accuracy error from my vernier caliper. This is a very accurate scan. I'm going to drop the step files in here. I'm going to print with the PLA because I think it should be fine for the PLA. Add the subport and slice it. So the part is symmetry, so I just need to clone it for one piece. So I print a hollow with a standard 15% infill because if I'm going to clash it, I will just replace it. It doesn't take a long time to print. Okay, so let's send it to the printer. Okay. Fits very well. There's no clearance. And it's flush. Now look at the clearance. See here. It's just about 0.2 millimeters. So this the edge of the pedal bracket should be protected by this print, and the friction adjustment hole is aligned perfectly. So this side clip here, it should prevent the bumper from moving when it clash. Okay, so here's the 3D print bumper for the pedal bracket. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.